We're taking a live look outside from the Bayfront Inn down in Naples, and you can see in the distance some towering cumulus clouds. We've been tracking some showers and thunderstorms there in Collier County this morning. Really, a lot of that offshore is just kind of pushing on in here. Some of those even just off of Lee County here this morning. But the biggest show in town really started to fizzle out about an hour ago. You saw it push through Golden Gate, Orange Tree, and then right over Ave Maria, kind of poof, done. But we still see some showers, thunderstorms down in southern Collier County, right over Big Cypress National Preserve, right near Everglades City there as well. And these are, again, all pushing off towards the east this morning. Now, that's a pattern I do expect to continue with most of our storm activity inland here this afternoon. But the other big story is the heat this morning. We are tracking already 82 degrees in Port Charlotte, 83 Cape Coral, 85 in Sanibel. And we do expect those to continue to warm up into the 90s by this afternoon, peaking out in the low to mid 90s. Places like, say, LaBelle at 94 degrees, Immokalee there as well. But when you add in that humidity, feels like temperatures as high as 108 this afternoon. That's why we do have another round of some heat advisories and then even excessive heat warning in Collier County until 6 p.m. This evening. So again, it's going to be another hot day. If you're going to be outside today, drinking plenty of water, staying hydrated, find the AC, cool the body down if you are finding yourself getting overheated. Now, we are seeing temperatures tonight dropping down into 78 degrees, partly cloudy skies in the forecast. And then tomorrow we do it again. Scattered showers and thunderstorms, 92 degrees for you. So let's time this out for you as the weekend as a whole. Continuing to track some scattered showers and thunderstorms in Collier County here. That will be lifting off to the north and off to the east. Glades, Henry, Inland Collier is going to be the main focus of those showers and storms for you this afternoon. I think you're going to be along the coast. You should be relatively dry, though we could see some stuff pushing back towards the coastline later this evening. Now, as for your Sunday, waking up again with showers and storms near the coast, but again, pushing inland. So again, the main focus with that onshore wind is storms moving from the west to the east across the peninsula. We could see some decent downpours out there between today and tomorrow, localized upwards of an inch or two inland here today. And then we add in the rainfall from tomorrow. Again, could see some heavier stuff in the morning near the coast, but again, majority will be inland there for you tomorrow. But we are expecting rain chances to be right around 50% throughout the week, maybe a slightly lower Monday, a little drier air in place, but we could see even drier air later in the week. I'll show you that in just a second here. It has to do with the tropics. First, Gordon, though, out in the middle of the Atlantic, still a tropical storm expected to weaken down to a depression as we get in towards tomorrow and into next week, but could reform it back into a storm as it pushes northward by Thursday. And then watching off the Carolina coastline, 50% chance of development with this one. Later in this week, could see a depression or a storm pushing up towards the Carolinas. And again, that's going to be a big factor in our weather pattern because it could drag in some drier air on the backside. And if that does do that, it might lower our rain chances and drop that humidity just a tick. So that's something I'm watching for you there in the long range. Otherwise, temperatures remaining in the 90s.